Hello guys, today I want to show you my parts. This is the parts that I needed for my project actually. As I previously said in my videos, in my last videos, I've got these parts from the local forum, and I'm going to start first with the motherboard. So what I have right here in front of me is just the motherboard, the Asus P6 Deluxe V2. This is very nice motherboard actually. Is from what I read, they say this is very stable in overclocking, and the quality is quite good. Right here underneath we have the stock Intel cooler, and right here we have the CPU, the i7-920. It also has the buttons here, the power on and reset. From what I read, I know this has right here underneath is the LEDs. So when you turn your PC on, it will actually turn on, and we see this logo as Asus being lighting up, sort of RGB. Yeah. On the I/O ports we have the two LAN connectors, eSATA right here, 8-channel audio from ADI, 6 USB ports, and the triple channel. Triple channel ports, triple channel slots, pardon. Yeah, so all the capacitors are solid, Japanese capacitors. They all seem to be in good condition. Yeah, the next part will be the video card. This is the 5770, 128-bit, 1 GB of memory. This is the from XFX. Okay, she seems to be in good condition. The scratches are present, however. Okay, flip around the back. What's interesting about this is there is no sticker from the so you can identify it if you want it, but unfortunately there is no sticker. This is strange. Anyway, I'm going to show you the I/O, HDMI, mini DisplayPort, 2 DVI. Yeah. I also borrowed the 500 GB Western Digital Green. Now I advise you not to use this as primarily a hard drive, even if your budget is quite low, because these things are very unreliable. They're very slow actually. Yeah, no sign of trauma here. And lastly, I also have the DDr3. This is 1366 XMS Corsair 99924. Now, okay, 1.5 volts. Why it doesn't focus anyway. And the last module is MT8 133 megahertz probably 99924. The specs are here, but it doesn't say exactly what the timings are. But I know this is the MT8 memory. Sorry for the bad camera, but it doesn't seem to be focused very good. Anyway, so yeah, now the conclusion. I just want to show you that when you buy parts actually from an online forum, you have to be very careful about general aspects, I could say. This motherboard right here is having a lot of the hits here underneath. I'm going to show you a few things you probably didn't notice. As you can see right here at the USB near the PS2 port, the second one was actually bent to the right. See? And the PCB itself, right here in the corner, was actually had suffered some of the accident, I believe. I don't know. So now the next thing that I actually didn't notice when I bought it, because I just received it from the courier. There is another missing part from here, from the SATA. You see the orange ones right here. It has a missing part, so I don't know what exactly happened. The seller, when I contacted him today, he just said he didn't know about this kind of things, and there is no way that I can get a refund on it. So this is weird. So I advise you not to make the same mistake as I did. And also check and verify twice if the electronic parts has any issues, because the seller actually won't tell you anything. I can assure you about that. Yeah, so anyway, this was my review for the parts that I mentioned. I'm going to put it together with my 1250 watts that I'm having, my Chieftec Navitas, and try a crossfire and testing how it actually works. So thank you for watching, thank you for having the patience to watch my video. Subscribe. Bye.